Ronta Turbo Silence Fan. Whisper Quiet operation offers ultimate silence at each speed. Ideal for home or office. User-friendly control panel with 5 speed settings, including Turbo Boost for extra power and Silent Night Mode for especially soundless operation. Delivers exceptionally strong airflow, oscillates for broad coverage, 12 inches diameter head and 5 effective blades. 1500 watts. Convenient, compact remote control with onboard storage. Top carrying handle ensures easy transport. If you want to know more about this item, you can follow video description. Hunter Retro Table Fan. All metal construction, portable tabletop model. Powerful 3-speed motor, and smooth oscillation. Minimal dust buildup voltage, 120 V. No assembly required. Designer oil rubbed bronze finish. Honeywell Table Fan. This 3-speed adjustable, tilt oscillating fan delivers quiet, powerful, personal cooling in a compact modern design. It can be placed on a tabletop for focused cooling or used on the floor directing airflow where you need it. The convenient oscillation feature and adjustable, tilting fan head allow for multiple ways to cool. Built with a robust metal grill that can be removed for easy cleaning, this fan is a great solution for your personal cooling needs. Pelanus Portable 3-speed. The Pelanus Table Air Circulation Fan has 3 speeds, and 80-degree oscillation. This quiet fan is compact enough for a table, or to help provide comfortable cooling, in small medium rooms or office. Using this table fan for air circulation, in your home can help increase your comfort, and help reduce energy costs. Battery-operated fan with timer. The new fan adopted, upgraded brushless motors, producing more airflow than the old version metal fan. To resolve the long charging time, we adopt fast charging technology to shorten it to 4.3 hours. A micro USB port and a Type-C charging ports are provided, for your convenience. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to know more, check video description below. To watch more of our videos, subscribe and click bell buttons.